Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. We're in our darkroom this afternoon, and I want to show you guys how we expose our screens. So after unloading your screen from the image, you want to bring it over to your Starlight screen exposure unit, and we're going to place the screen face down. This part being the face here that the image was printed to. So we're going to place that face down, and you want to place the edge of the frame on these end pieces here where it says, where it's actually labeled frame. So you're going to go ahead and place that down on there. Close your lid. And we have a few different exposure recipes here. So if we hit recall, that's going to take us to a few of them that we use. So if we were doing a 305, we would select one. If we were doing a 160, 200, or 230, you're going to select two. And then a 40 mesh would be three. In this case, we're doing a 160 and 200, so we're going to go ahead and select two. And that's going to be a 10-second exposure time. And you want to hit start. You can see the UV lights are on there, so it's doing its thing. As soon as that counts down, let's go ahead and lift your lid. Take your screen out, and you're going to place it in the Eco Rinse.